The ingredients and methods used for preparing fried rice and jollof rice are different, right? Sure. Now, in the same way, to prepare salt, you have to check its solubility. If it is soluble, you either prepare by reacting a dilute acid with a metal or neutralizing an acid with an alkaline, or reacting a dilute acid with a soluble base, or reacting a dilute acid and a trioxocarbonate. However, if it is not soluble, you either prepare by reacting the constituent elements or mixing two soluble compounds, with one containing the metallic radical and the other the acidic radical of the insoluble salt, and then the salt would precipitate out. Now, this method is called double decomposition. Another criteria to check when preparing a salt is its stability to heat. If it can be decomposed by heat, the salt is separated out of a solution by a method called crystallization. However, if it is not, then the soluble salt can be recovered after preparation by heating to dryness. So, what have we learned? We have learned that salt can be prepared in various ways, and to know the method required, you must be sure of its solubility or its stability to heat. A soluble salt can be prepared by 1. The action of dilute acid on metal. Now, let's look at this equation. 1. The action of dilute acid on metal. Zinc solid, that's Zn, combines with hydrochloric acid in aqueous form to give us ZnCl, that is zinc chloride, and hydrogen gas. 2. Neutralization of an acid by an alkali. Now, let's look at this equation. KOH in aqueous form plus HNO3 acid in aqueous form gives us KNO3 in aqueous form and water, H2O. 3. The action of dilute acid on an insoluble base. Now, we have H2SO4 tetraoxosulfate 6 acid combines with CuSO4 in solid form to give us CuSO4 in aqueous form and water in liquid form. 4. Now, the action of dilute acid on trioxocarbonate 4. Now, we have H2SO4 in aqueous form plus CuCO3 to give us CuSO4 aqueous plus H2O water and CO2 gas. Now, an insoluble salt can be prepared by 1. Double decomposition or precipitation. Now, let's look at this equation. Now, we have PbNO3, 2 aqueous form, plus 2NaCl in aqueous form to give us 2NaNO3 in aqueous form plus PbCl2, lead chloride, in solid form. 2. Direct combination of two elements. We have iron, that is Fe(S), plus S. Now, let's look at this equation. We have Fe(S), that is iron, in solid form, combines with sulfur, that is S, to give us Fe(S) in solid form. Secondly, if it is decomposed by heat, it is recovered from a solution after preparation by a method called crystallization. Now, all trioxonitrate 5 and tetraoxosulfate 6 are recovered by crystallization. Also, it can be recovered by heating to dryness if it is not destroyed or decomposed by heat. E.g., most chlorides such as NaCl, ZnCl2, FeCl, and FeCl3 are recovered by heating. I hope you enjoyed that class. See you in the next class. Bye for now.